Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check if the intercom has an external mic or line-in and note the connector type. Once done, power both units and set volumes to conservative middle positions so you avoid clipping. Make sure you have the exact adapter cable, TRS to TRRS or the matching plug, and an inline attenuator if the intercom output is high. This prevents distortion. While you get these parts ready, mount the camera for access to its audio input jack so you can complete the connection cleanly. Connect the intercom output to the adapter cable using a short, shielded run. Make sure plugs are firmly seated to avoid noise. Once connected, insert the inline attenuator and start with minimal attenuation. You can increase it if levels peak. Then, plug into the camera and set the input to external mic or line-in and switch the gain to manual. Disable AGC or any onboard processing so the intercom signal remains natural. Listen with headphones and watch camera meters to balance levels precisely. You finish by recording a short test clip while monitoring through headphones and the camera meters. Check for clipping, distortion, or too low signal. If you hear hum, check grounding and shorten the cable. Try a ground lift adapter or move away from power sources. If levels are mismatched, tweak the inline attenuator or adjust intercom output and camera gain. When problems persist, insert a compact audio mixer or portable interface between devices to match impedance and level. Once levels are clean, lock everything down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.